Alright, what's good everyone? Happy Friday. Just about to head to the gym. Finished work up today and honestly I haven't been hitting up gym as much as I'd like to. I think last week's little commando roll incident has put a hold on a bit of physical activity and I've been trying to keep an eye on that ankle. It's a little bit tight, but I'm just trying to maintain the load that I'm putting on it. Instead of running, I'm just gonna hit out the gym today and we're gonna try hit out maybe shoulders and arms. Too bad in that session. I thought I would have felt a little bit weaker considering how long I didn't train for. It's almost been like a whole week since I actually lifted any weights. This week I was focusing a bit more on the cardio since I wasn't able to run as much with that sore ankle. So what I've been doing, I've actually been swimming. This week I actually swam twice and did a couple of laps. I did about a kilometer each session. That at least kept my lungs going. So we'll get a little catch-up dinner tonight with some good friends of ours and we're just going to enjoy the rest of the night and grub down on some good food. Morning. It's another rainy day in Sydney and honestly I don't know what's going on with this Sydney weather. You go from bipolar opposites in one day. It's actually expected to rain 60 mils tomorrow and we've already had a little bit of rain now. It's going to be an interesting wet weekend. This is usually my morning routine. I wake up, jump in the plunge, and then make my coffee and just enjoy a bit of TV before I head out to work. I use this as a wind down time before I got to get out there. I feel like I've been pretty consistent with the plunge this week as well. I haven't missed a day, so Monday to Saturday I've been in that every morning and I think I've just got to start sort of building that habit so that it becomes second nature. I wish I could be sleeping in on this Saturday morning, but we've got jobs to get done, so I'm going to bring you along and we're going to get this little splashback done. We're lucky the rain slowed down a little bit. This morning when I was outside there in the plunge, I thought I was going to have a nightmare trying to unload all the tools. I think we've caught a lucky break. I literally just made it before the rain came on.
All right, I've been chilling at home for the past couple of hours now since the job was done, and I actually haven't had lunch yet, so I'm gonna show you one of the best banh mi joints in Sydney. And I know there's a big debate on which is the best banh mi joint there is, but I think if I show you this one, you guys are gonna know what I'm talking about when you see it.
This is the goods right here. If you know, you know. You know, for me, what separates a good banh mi is the bread and the quality of the pate. If it's so flavorful and it's good quality, it's an instant winner. This is easily my number one in Sydney. Just look how jam-packed they stuff it. That's a pork roll. I've taken a bit of photos since I first bought this camera about 2 years ago, and one thing I promised myself was that I was going to print some of them out and put them into a photo album. And I finally got around to printing out some photos and put them into this album here. Back in the day, I remember every family used to have a set of photo albums, and you would just look back into those photos and it'd just be a moment in time that you could look back and see what they were wearing, how things were done back then. So this is what I kind of want to start with this photo album here. I want my future kids to sort of look back into these photo albums and be curious to where that time was or what they were doing back then. And looking at this photo, I know my kids are already going to look at me and be like, "Dad, look at your hair. Your hair was so long then, you know?" So I want my kids to have that sort of feeling when they're looking through this photo album. So the photos I printed out only filled out about half of this book. So I've got another half that I'm gonna have to print out and fill out this book. And who's to say that I won't fill out another album anyway. But in the meantime, that's all for this video, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.